So let's talk about the upcoming iPhone SE 4, which is gearing up for mass production in December 2024. We might see it hit the shelves in early 2025. But hold on a second, if the latest rumors are true, the SE 4 could leave some fans a bit underwhelmed, especially when it comes to charging speed. Now, word on the street is that the iPhone SE 4 will only support a 20 watts charging speed. If you're keeping score, that's pretty slow by today's standards. With a 3279 mAh battery, which is similar to the iPhone 14's, you could be looking at over an hour for a full charge. For comparison, the SE 3 packs a smaller 2500 mAh battery and can juice up to 50% in just 30 minutes with the same 20-watt adapter. So, yeah, that's a big difference. With the larger battery in the SE 4, charging times will definitely stretch out. Reports suggest that after 30 minutes, you might only see about 36% of the battery charged. Ouch. As for the design and hardware, the SE 4 is expected to mirror the iPhone 14 pretty closely, with a few tweaks to make it compatible with the latest Apple features, including Apple Intelligence. Speaking of that, while Apple calls 20-watt fast, we can't help but wish for more. Imagine a future where charging speeds are kicked up to 30 watt or more. This would mean a 50% charge in around 30 to 35 minutes, but fully charging from 0% to 100% would still take about an hour. And let's not forget about Apple's track record. While they often adjust features based on user demand, they've historically played it safe with charging speeds. Take the new iPad mini 7, for example. It sticks with the same 20-watt charging as the previous model, but steps up the performance with the A17 Pro chip and 8 gigs of RAM. The focus seems to be more on performance and software rather than on faster charging. But here's the kicker. Apple might not push charging speeds past 30 watt anytime soon. The iPhone 14 Pro Max peaks at 27 watt, so a 30 watt charger could theoretically get you to 50% in that sweet 30-minute window. But still, a full charge would hover around that hour mark. Honestly, in a world where we're always on the go, and our devices are draining faster than ever, especially with all those power-hungry ad features, wouldn't it be awesome if Apple introduced something like 90-watt fast charging? I mean, nobody wants to be tethered to a wall outlet all day just to keep their phone alive, right? With cool features like an OLED display and upgraded cameras, the iPhone SE 4 will definitely have its perks. But charging speed? That's a key factor you might want to consider when you're thinking about making a purchase. So, what do you think? Are you okay with a 20-watt charging speed, or do you think Apple really needs to step up their game here? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And as always, I'll catch you in the next video.